It starts with a simple question. Where does the universe end? If you kept traveling, past every star, past every galaxy, would you eventually reach an edge, a boundary, something beyond which there is nothing? It feels intuitive. Everything we know has limits. Oceans end, planets have surfaces, even galaxies have edges. So, why not the universe? But here's the problem. According to modern cosmology, the universe may not have an edge at all. Not because it's infinite, but because the question itself might be wrong. To understand why, we need to go back to the beginning, the Big Bang. Around 13.8 billion years ago, space itself began expanding. Not from a single point into space, but as space, everywhere, all at once. Which means there is no center, and if there's no center, what would an edge even mean? Still, there is something we can observe, a limit, a boundary to what we can see. It's called the observable universe, the furthest distance light has had time to travel since the universe began, roughly 46 billion light years in every direction. This is not the edge of the universe, it's the edge of our vision. Beyond it, there may be more galaxies, more stars, more space, but their light has not reached us yet, and maybe it never will, because the universe is expanding. Not slowly, faster and faster. This expansion was first discovered by Edwin Hubble. Galaxies are moving away from us. The further they are, the faster they recede. And here's the unsettling part. At great enough distances, galaxies are moving away faster than light, not through space, but because space itself is stretching. So even if you traveled forever at the speed of light, you would never reach them. They are permanently out of reach. So what happens at that boundary? What lies beyond the observable universe? Physics gives us possibilities. One idea is that the universe is infinite. No edge, no boundary, just endless space in every direction. Another possibility is something stranger. That space curves back on itself, like the surface of a sphere. You could travel forever and never find an edge, yet the universe would still be finite. This idea emerges from general relativity, our best description of space-time. But there's more. The expansion of the universe is accelerating, driven by something we don't fully understand. We call it dark energy. It makes up about 70% of the universe, and it's pushing everything apart, faster and faster. In the distant future, galaxies will disappear from view. The night sky will grow darker, until eventually, every galaxy beyond our own is gone, not destroyed, just unreachable, lost beyond the horizon of time. So where is the edge? It depends on what you mean. If you mean a physical boundary, a wall, a border, a final point, there may be none. But if you mean a limit to what we can ever see, ever reach, ever influence, then that edge is already here, surrounding us, a cosmic horizon, not at the end of space, but at the end of possibility. And beyond it, perhaps more universe, or perhaps something else entirely, something we may never observe, never test, never know, because no signal, no light, no information can cross that boundary and return. So the edge of the universe is not a place you can visit. It's a limit, a reminder that no matter how far we explore, there are parts of reality forever hidden, just beyond reach. And maybe that's what makes the universe feel so vast, so mysterious, and so unfinished.